What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a Corvette C7 in the shop. I know it's not diesel, but I figured you guys would like it anyways. This is Luke.
What's up?
It's his Corvette, and we're just gonna put a new spoiler on it. So stay tuned, let's check her out. So here's the spoiler that's on it right now. And we're gonna figure out how to take it apart and put the stage 3 spoiler on. So we don't really know what we're doing. We're just gonna try not to break stuff. But basically we gotta pop this off, pop this tail light housing out, remove this whole rear clip, and I think that's how we get at this spoiler and put the new one on. Just gonna put some tape on here so we can pry off of it with an upholstery tool without wrecking the paint. That wasn't bad.
No.
We didn't even have to pry it. Luke just grabbed it with his fingers and popped it off.
Let's see if this one works. Oh yeah, you just grab
Put your fingers up there.
The tail light.
Work it around.
Work it.
Everything just clips together nowadays. Easy. So it looks like there's a Torx head bolt up there. And then I think all of these little Torx bolts there. And that might be it. We're just gonna try to basically grab this and fold it back. There's some bolts underneath, but I don't think we need to undo them. So we're just gonna pop those out and see if we can pry it up. If you see in there all those red tabs, that's just how this is clipped onto the car. So there's only a couple bolts holding it in from what we can see so far, and then it should just kind of snap out of there. Looks like there's 2 bolts, one there, and this guy here we're gonna take out on each side. I'll let Luke do all the reefing, so if he breaks something, it's not my fault. Hey, that's not so bad.
Yeah.
Do we got enough room to get at him, or do we need to take some more bolts out?
We just gotta reef a little harder.
Just reef a little harder. That's probably good. I don't know.
I think we can get at her.
We'll see. We're gonna try to get a little more play, so I think you take these 2 bolts out here. I'm thinking that's all we're gonna need, but we'll see once we get them out. Okay, I just shoved some of this styrofoam in there just to pry it back. That should be enough. The bolts are straight up that way. I think there's 2 here, 1 here, and they kind of go along that way. And they look like a 13. I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna get a ratchet wrench and get them out. Okay, it's an 11 millimeter or 7/16, whatever you want to use. Oh, this is fun. Another one. That's 3 down. How many more we got?
20.
Okay, I think we got all the bolts. Just like that. So here, I'll show you the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Some of them don't come with a spoiler. Like, I don't think this car actually comes with a spoiler from factory, so they give you templates. Like, this is a big template. So it kind of shows you where to drill holes if you need to drill your own holes. But ours already had a spoiler on it, so now just put the new one on.
All right, this is the underside of the new spoiler. We're just putting these studs in here. It's a little different than the other one that came with bolts.
So we're putting this foam kind of vibration dampening stuff in these lines right here, and then on the actual these wing parts, they're getting the 3M double-sided tape. The old spoiler, you just put the bolts up into it, but this one comes with these cool studs. So I'm just gonna snug them up, and then you just drop the studs into the holes and put the nuts on. And yeah, we have, see this vibration dampening stuff there and there. Each of these studs gets one. Can you line them up? Oh, look at that.
Almost like it was meant to fit in.
Wow.
Well, I guess she's a little bent out of shape.
Do we need to, you get it in?
Yeah,
Nice?
it is in.
Perfect.
So we're putting the base of the spoiler on. We're gonna wait to put these wings on because they hang off a little bit, and us moving this bumper around, it's gonna end up dinging against here. We also got the double-sided tape on here, the 3M.
Okay, the base is on. We're going to put this clip back on the rear. Just like that. Do this side. Just like that.
Like a glove. Actually, I'll get this.
I'll just leave it loose too. Just like that.
Yeah.
Leave it loose and tighten it all up when it's done. Whoa, satisfying.
Oh no.
They kind of stick in there.
They don't really stick, they just kind of sit there.
Oh yeah, Bronx.
Hey buddy.
Okay, we got the spoiler all installed. Buttoned everything back up. Looks great. Guess maybe we should go take her for a rip now. Okay, well that's it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And if you got questions, ask in the comments. Look me up on Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel and shoot me a message. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks Luke for letting us work on your vet here, and see you on the next video.